Welcome to Biology, My Passion. I am Soumya Harikrishna. Today, we are going to discuss NEET 2021, important dates and changes in the question pattern and some other relevant information. NEET 2021 application form is available in the website neet.nta.nic.in. Online submission of application form is from 13th of July 2021 to 6th of August 2021. Last date of fee payment is on 7th of August 2021. So you have to fill in the application form by 6th of August, but one more extra day you are getting for payment of the fees. If there is any correction in the particulars you filled in, you are allotted time from 8th August to 12th August. And the much awaited date of examination is 12th of September 2021. Pattern of examination remains the same. It's pen and paper test of duration 180 minutes or 3 hours. Indian Standard Time 2 p.m. to 5 p.m. The syllabus is available at nmc.org.in/NEET/NEET-UG. This time there is a slight change in the question pattern. Question pattern comprises of 2 sections. Section A consists of 35 questions. Section B consists of 15 questions and candidate can choose to attempt any 10 questions. We have 4 subjects: physics, chemistry, botany and zoology. All 4 subjects have section A and section B. Section A consists of 35 questions. Each correct answer carries 4 marks. So the total marks would be 140. Section B, there are 15 questions. Out of that, the candidate is expected to attempt only 10 questions. That means 5 questions you get as option in each subject. So 10 into 4, 40 marks. So the total marks remains the same, but the number of questions you are attending also same, but you are getting choice here. So remember to attempt only the questions which you are very thorough. To avoid careless mistakes, be careful, because one of the biggest challenges in NEET is our negative marking. You know, for every wrong answer, you will be losing 1 mark from what you scored. This time, examination question paper will be available in 13 languages: English, Hindi, Assamese, Bengali, Gujarati, Kannada, Malayalam, Marathi, Odia, Punjabi, Tamil, Telugu and Urdu. Those who are opting for the regional languages will have English also in the question paper. The application form for NEET UG 2021 has been divided into 2 sets or phases this time. The first phase or set of information needs to be filled up before the last date of submission of the application form online, that is 6th of August 2021. The second set of information needs to be filled up by the candidates before the declaration of the result or downloading of scorecard during the period that would be notified separately through NEET portal in due course. All candidates shall fill up each set of information of the application form at the respective time of availability. In the absence of filling up of any of the set of information, his or her candidature will be cancelled. So, before 6th of August, you have to apply the first part of NEET examination and the rest of it will come after your results. There are 4 steps in filling up the application form. First stage is to apply or register online. In this, you need a valid email ID and your mobile number. Make sure that you are giving an email ID which you frequently open and see the messages. It should be your parents or guardians, or if you have your own email ID, you can use that. But you have to keep checking the email frequently for getting information regarding your examination. Step 2 is the online application form filling. And once you finish the second page or the second stage of this filling up, you will get one application number. You have to note down that application number, which is needed for your future references. Third step is uploading of certain documents. All documents are not needed at the first phase. As I mentioned, second phase only you have to upload certain documents. First phase you need to upload mainly your photograph, that is scan image of candidate's latest passport size photograph and a postcard size photograph. Here you require two different photographs. First one is a passport size photograph, JPG file. Size is varying from 10 kilobytes to 200 kilobytes, and in that it should be focused, very clear. 80% face coverage should be there in the photograph, and ears should be clearly visible, and the background should be white. Whereas the postcard size photograph should be 4-inch width and 6-inch height. Its file size also should be 10 kilobytes to 200 kilobytes, JPG format only. Then you need to scan your signature, and that should be also like a JPEG file, size 4 KB to 30 KB. The next requirement is your left hand thumb impression. That also JPG file size 10 KB to 200 KB. In case you cannot take your left thumb, then you can use your right thumb impression. And you need to upload your class 10 pass certificate. It should be in a PDF format with a file size 50 KB to 300 KB. And if you belong to any special categories like SC, ST, OBC, EWS, etc., PDF size should be 50 KB to 300 KB category certificate, and PWBD certificate also should be in PDF file size 50 KB to 300 KB. Citizenship certificate, embassy certificate, or any documentary proof of citizenship certificate in PDF format, file size 50 KB to 300 KB. PDF of all these documents should be in prescribed format file, required size as mentioned against each. The last stage is your payment. Pay the fee using SBI or Canara Bank, HDFC, ICICI, Paytm payment, gateway through debit card, credit card, net banking, UPI, wallet, and keep proof of fee paid safely for future reference. Finally, you can download, save and print copies of confirmation page after successful remittance of fee and keep copies safely for your future reference. Here, you need not upload or send this to any agency. You have to do only the application form online, but save all the documents starting from your application number, and the email ID that you are using should be valid and operative, and keep a record of all the documents. Now, when you are selecting the cities, list of all cities are given. You can choose any city that you prefer. While filling up, candidates should select 4 convenient cities from Appendix 7 as their choice of cities for exam center in order of their priority. Preferably, first choice can be your own home city, or from there, the nearest one should be the second option. Don't keep any faraway place where you will not be able to reach on time. Outside India, there is only one center, that is Kuwait. In Kuwait, Kuwait City is the center. The date of birth of candidate should be before 31st of December 2004. Indian citizens, overseas citizens of India, OCI, intending to pursue undergraduate medical courses in a foreign medical or dental institute also need to qualify NEET. The NRI and OCI applicants or candidates have to upload a certificate from the concerned Indian diplomatic mission in the country of their residence in support of their claim as an NRI OCI candidate, along with their online application form for NEET 2021, and retain the original of such document for producing it at the time of counseling or admission to the courses covered under NEET. There are some qualifying codes asked. Candidates appearing in class 12 in 2021, that means some state boards they completed their exam, or CBSE students are waiting the results, they should select a qualifying code as 1. Those candidates who have passed should fill code 2 to 7 against the column provided for in case of qualifying examination, whichever is applicable to you. Those students who are repeating, those who passed last year, that is 2020, and repeating, should go for code 2. So I wish NEET 2021 is successful for each one of you. May God bless you in your future endeavors. With a detailed video, we will meet again. Thank you and all the best.